Looking to have all of your Easter chocolate woes sorted easily? You have come to the right place. I'm Poppy from Poppy's Chocolate. I am the founder of this beautiful business, and we have been melting hearts since 2005. We make the most insanely delicious chocolates, and Easter is our favorite time of the year where we get to make amazing flavored eggs and bunnies and all sorts of other creative goodies that we do. Now we have some amazing hampers as well that you can get, and one of our most popular hampers is our Everyone Loves Easter Hamper. It is packed full of amazing goodies that we hand make here right in our factory in Queensland. Now don't worry about being in Queensland, we ship right around Australia with express couriers in thermal packaging so that your chocolates get to you not melted and not broken, and we pack them insanely well so that everything turns up to you safely. And you can actually call us or email us if there are any issues at all. We will respond to you really quickly and get you sorted. So let me show you what's in our Everyone Loves Easter hamper. Comes in this beautiful box, and here it's packed with goodies. Look, now I'll just quickly tell you everything that's in it. You get our famous caramel Rocky Road. That's caramel with freeze-dried strawberries in it. It's just so amazingly delicious. Our beautiful signature galaxy egg. That's a milk chocolate egg. Get a sitting bunny in milk chocolate. Our pistachio kataifi egg. This was going crazy last year when we first did it. And a sitting bunny with milk chocolate. He's so cute. Salted caramel bunnies, 12 of those, as well as 12 plain milk chocolate ones. Get our mini sprinkle eggs in caramel and white chocolate, as well as a sprinkle bunny and a milk chocolate scene bar. So that's our Everyone Loves Easter hamper. We have a number of different hampers, plus you can buy all these items individually if you prefer. So get in quick. Easter is early this year. That's poppyschocolate.com.au. Enjoy!